Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting parts of moving into a new home, decorating those walls. Whether you are first time home owner or just looking to fresh up your space, we have got some fantastic ideas for you. So let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about creating a gallery wall. This is a wonderful way to showcase your personality and interests. You can mix and match different frames, artwork, and photos to create a visually appealing display. Don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts until you find the perfect arrangement. When it comes to choosing what to include on your gallery wall, the sky is the limit. You can incorporate family photos, artwork from local artists, inspirational photos, and even framed fabric or wallpaper samples. Just make sure to choose pieces that resonate with you and bring you joy. Next, let's talk about adding some texture to your walls. One easy way to do this is by incorporating wall hangings or tapestries. Not only do they add visual interest but also help dampen sound and make your space feel cozier. You can find wall hangings in a variety of styles and materials, from acrylic and woven tapestries to metal sculptures and fabric banners. Choose something that complements your existing decor and adds a touch of personality to your space. Now let's talk about the power of paint. Painting your walls is one of the most cost-effective ways to transform a room. Whether you opt for a bold accents wall or a soft neutral hue, paint can completely change the look and feel of our space. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more home decoration ideas. Until next time, happy decorating.